Happy birthday, Miney! I love you!
Happy birthday, Miney. Ang wish ko lang para sa iyo ay yung hindi ka magkakasakit at lagi mong aalagaan at iingatan ang iyong sarili. Pakabait ka, gawin mo ang lahat ng gusto mo paglaki mo. Lagi ka magdarasal. Naway dumami pa ang iyong birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at huwag mo iisipin na malayo ka sa amin. Isipin mo lang, lagi kami nandiyan sa tabi mo at susuportahan ka namin. Hanggang kami nabubuhay. Maligayang bati sa iyo, Miney. Baby ko. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miney.
I miss you.
Enjoy your day. Mabait ka lagi. Tanging hangad ko lang ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miney!
Happy birthday, Benny!
Hello, Miney! Yun, nasa likod ko si Jollibee. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dyan sana kita dadalhin, kaya lang wala ka dito. So, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. And then, nawa, marami ka pang birthday na maranasan. At alam ko naman na aalagaan ka ng mga magulang mo at magiging mabuting bata kapag laki dahil sila mga Kristiyano. Always pray lang, tsaka pwede ka na mag-aral ng salita ng Lord habang bata ka pa. At regalo ko sa'yo, soon na lang. Ano na lang, pagdating mo na lang dito. Alam ko papasyal ka rito, babalik ka ulit. Yan. More blessing to come, and happy 7th birthday sa'yo. Bye-bye!
Hi, Miney! Happy birthday! I miss you. Stay as sweet as you are. Be a good ate to your brother. Obey your parents always. Honor them. Don't forget to pray. Read the word, and walk in righteousness. Seek God always in everything that you do, and give Him honor in everything that you do as well. Okay. I miss you. God bless you, Miney. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Miney. I miss you so much. Nawa sa iyong kaarawan ay maging maligayang maligaya ka at samahan ka ng ating Diyos habang ikaw ay lumalaki. Sabi nga sa Awit chapter 119 verse 105, salita mo'y isang tanglaw sa akin sa patnubay, sa landas kong daraanan liwanag na tumatanglaw. Yun ang nais sa atin ng Panginoon at sa iyo, na habang ikaw ay lumalaki, ang salita niya ay tanglaw sa iyong buhay. Salamat, Miney. I miss you so much, and happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Miney! Wish ko bumalik ka na dito. God bless!
Happy birthday, Hermione!
Happy birthday, Benny! Miss na kita. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Sana umuwi ka na. Miss na kita. Birthday, Miney! Na-miss kita nakalaro. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye! Birthday, Ate Miney! I love you! Hello, Hermione. Happy 7th birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Miney.
I miss you.
I miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miney. I miss you.
Hi anak, happy birthday. I wish I were there to celebrate your birthday. I miss you a lot anak. Please don't grow too fast. mag-aral kang mabuti. Always obey your parents, love your brother, love your friends, and please be healthy. Mahal na mahal ka ni Mami Nang, alam mo yan. I love you, I love you, I love you, anak, I miss you. Happy, happy birthday. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Ate Hermione, ang first baby namin. Ang bilis ng panahon, anak. Kalain mo yung 7 years old ka na. Ano pa bang mahihiling ko sa'yo, anak? Yun, good health. At mas lalong pagbutihin sa school. Alam ko, isa kang napakabuting ate, bata, anak. Lagi ka magpipray at lagi mong isipin na mahal ka namin, especially Mama Ange and Mami M. I love you, anak, and I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon, anak ko, ha? Laging mag-iingat dyan at makikinig kay Mimi, kay Daddy, and laging maging good example para kay Harion. Miss na miss ka na namin, anak ko, lalo na ni Riz. And yan. Ingat lagi, anak ko. Sana magustuhan mo yung regalo ni Mama Ann sa'yo. Hayaan mo at babawi kami sa'yo. Magkaroon lang tayo ng malaking blessing, anak ko. I love you. Happy birthday ulit, anak.
Hello, Ate Miley. Happy birthday to you. Ayun yung gift sa'yo nila. Kasi alam kong magagamit mo yun for your school. So, surprise yun later. Okay? And usually ninang is to have a good health and always follow your parents. Kasi sila Mimi and Daddy Labs mo ang mag-guide sa'yo hanggang sa paglaki mo. So, enjoy your day. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. See you soon, guys.
Happy 7th birthday, little princess. Lumaki kang masigla at malusog. Mahal na mahal ka ni Nongnong. Happy 7th birthday, Hermione.